Okay, so just a quick little video. Just got another package from Gray Area, and today it is kickstand bypass, rear sets, and sprocket guard. So here's the kickstand bypass. Pretty basic, nothing too revolutionary there. They did send a whole bunch of KTM parts. I can only assume that these are for the rear sets. Got 2 bolts, chain tensioners, 2 stumble spacers, and then a new chain guide. That's all KTM. Here is our chain guard. That'll be go up under like that. Required by most racing organizations. And the real interesting thing will be these rear sets. We'll see what they look like. Open them up. And the MG, like I say, these are the ones brought in by Gray Area, made in Austria, so they're made by. You get 2 pegs, quite knurled. Look like they'll be pretty grippy. A thing of hardware, a second thing of hardware. That's the kickstand bracket. And then you get 4 spacers. Plates. 2 plates. Looks like this might be a new hose for a reservoir for the brake fluid. Pretty nice. Very light. We'll put them on a scale before we put them on. The one side. Shift linkage. Looks a little bit on the bigger side. There's our other one, our brake side. Got a spring on it to bring it back up. And just going over the rear sets one more time. Quality looks really good. Machining is nice. Knurls. Looks like on the plates there'll be lots of adjustments, possibilities here. So overall, I'd say that's a really good quality. And that's the shipment. The rear chain guard. Looks like it's made by Sebimoto. A little bit of paint, a little clean up. It's good. It's very light. And then of course the kickstand. It's easy. Overall, everything looks really good.